So they come in and you have this area with gently rising air because it's a low pressure system that came in off of Africa. It draws the air from the sides, and that air will come along the surface of the ocean, pick up moisture as it goes along, and then be driven up into this system. So the air is going to come from all sides, moist, humid air, warm. Okay, the ocean has to be at least 79 degrees for this to work. And it comes in and brings the stuff up. As it goes up, you know what happens, right? All the humidity in the air that's rising condenses and makes these clouds and rains. And you get thunderstorms developing out of this. Well, there's a little thing that's called latent heat transfer. When you change the water from a gas, as it is in the humidity, to a liquid, when it's condensed, it releases energy. Okay, and that is what is called latent heat transfer. It releases energy. The energy powers up the storm and causes the uplift to get even stronger. As the uplift gets stronger, it pushes out the top, and all the air diverges as it reaches the top of the hurricane, and then spreads out and comes back in this way towards the bottom. So you get this big system of bringing this stuff up, raining all the moisture out of the air, spreading the air back out again, and then pulling it back in and getting it wet again. As it comes up, it dumps this latent heat transfer, which causes the updraft to get even stronger, and it does the same thing round and round. Now it even adds a little bit more, because as it does that, the winds pick up and get stronger. They cause the ocean to get choppier, and as the ocean gets choppier, you get more surface area. So you actually even get more moisture because of all the waves in the ocean as this thing comes by to add to this system. So you can see that once these things start, they just grow into monsters on this system. That it circulates in, the latent heat powers them up, makes the updraft gets even stronger, pulls the stuff, dry air around, wet air in the bottom, and that's the system. Once it gets going, then they can just power up tremendously if and only if the water temperature is above 79.